Hello, this is Mr. Gbamu Idonogwene. I have this applet I would like to show us, and this applet is on the Gold Leaf Electroscope. Just as you can see the name here, charging an electroscope by induction. Now, we already know what an electroscope means, the Gold Leaf Electroscope. You can see the electroscope, you can see the cap where you bring in your charged conductor to test to know the kind of charge that it is. You can see the insulator now. This is the insulator that prevents the charge from leaking away. Then this is the casing. This is the metal casing of the gold leaf electroscope. Then this is the charge. This is the rod now, most usually made of brass that carries the charge down into the gold leaf. Then the gold leaf is on this extreme end. So this is the gold leaf, the one that will diverge when you bring in your charged material conductor to test. Now, the way this applet is designed is easy to understand. You can use it in your classroom to teach your children about the gold leaf electroscope or the working principle of the gold leaf electroscope. You can see the rod that you want to test the charge. So this rod is a negative charge rod. You can see it's written down here, negatively charged plastic ruler. So this is a negative charge rod, and they use blue to represent the color. So this is the finger you touch. You used to touch the gold leaf after you have induced the charge now, because we are using induction. After you have induced the charge on it, then through this finger it will leak away and go to the earth. So you are earthing it with this finger. Now this is how it works. When you take the charge material now, the conductor, when the conductor is getting closer, you observe what is happening here. The gold leaf is spreading out, is diverging a little, because this negative, as it's coming close to this place, the top of this cap of the gold leaf is now a positively charged. If you observe, the color is changing. Just watch. As it's approaching it closely, this color is becoming red, telling you that, let me see if I can get my pen, telling you that this place, they are all positive. So all these are positively charged. All these are positively charged. That's what this one means. So this red color signifies positive charge. That is how the gold leaf is designed. Now that they are all positive now, let me just make the positive positive. Then this gold leaf on this plate, they are all negative. So all these are negative charge, negative, negative, negative. So because the negative push downward, the gold leaf will diverge. You know, negative poles, that's like poles repel each other. So that is what is happening here. So these two leaf now, they all have negative poles, so they will repel each other. That is what is happening. Then now remember, from the beginning, the gold leaf normally is a neutral matter now, or the atoms are neutral. So immediately the negative come closer, you can see it's diverging more. Immediately the negative come closer, all the positive will move upward, trying to attract themselves, which is unlike poles attract each other. They try to attract to this negative charge plastic, while all the negative charge will run down to the gold leaf, making this leaf to diverge. Now, immediately you touch this gold leaf, you see what happens now. All the negative will leak out. So let me delete them now. So all this negative, they will leak outside through the finger. They will all go to the earth, leaving the positive alone in this place. That's why you can see the red still remains, but the blue have disappeared. Immediately you touch the gold leaf, you observe that the negative have disappeared. So no more blue color here. Everything is now another color. While the red, the positive remains. Then as you remove your finger, the positive still remain, but the negative have been leaked down to the earth. They have been earthed through this finger. Now, by the time I remove this negative charge material, if you observe, it diverges again, because the positive will fall down. Just watch what the color will be now. Now everything is red, but the positive that was here has now leaked down to the gold leaf. So everything is now plus plus. You understand? Now that they are all positive, so you expect the gold leaf to diverge again. So this is how this applet will help you to explain Gold Leaf Electroscope to your student. So by the time you have this applet in your classroom, you will see that understanding the Gold Leaf Electroscope principle, working principle, will be easy for your students. So that is all I have to show us in this video. If you want to reset the system again, just touch it. Everything will go to normal setting. Then repeat the process again. Bring your negative charge to the cap of the gold leaf. As it comes here, positive will attract the negative on this charge rod. Then all the negative will run down to the gold leaf, making this leaf to diverge out. Then, as you touch the gold leaf cap, all the negative will go through this place, follow the finger and go to the earth. So they will all leak to the earth, leaving neutral on this leaf. The leaf will become neutral. Then, as you remove your finger, leaving the charged material here, every object here, every charge here remains positive. As we remove the rod, the positive will run down to the leaf, making it to diverge. So this is the simple working principle of a gold leaf electroscope. I will put the link of this applet in the description of the video. Just click on the link, you will get this applet the same way I'm demonstrating it. You can demonstrate it like that to your student and they will understand the gold leaf electroscope very, very well. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.